Prabowo Subianto will be Republic Day chief guest in 2025 on 26th January 2025. He is President of the Republic of Indonesia. India backed Indonesia's entry both as a partner country and as a full member in BRICS. It underscores India's focus on maritime cooperation in the Indo-Pacific, a region critical for India's Act East policy. Indonesia is India's largest trading partner in ASEAN. Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of over 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and parts of Borneo and New Guinea. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelagic state. Capital and largest city Jakarta. Official language Indonesian. Religion as on 2023 87.1% Islam, 10.5% Christianity, 1.7% Hinduism, and 0.7% Buddhism. Indonesia's first president Sukarno was India's first Republic Day guest in 1950. Flag of Indonesia: red is upper part and the lower part is white. Motto is unity in diversity. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, Old Javanese. Indonesia got independence from Netherlands, proclaimed on 17th August 1945, recognized on 27th December 1949. Currency Indonesian Rupiah, Rp, IDR. Both India and Indonesia share over 2000 years of cultural and commercial ties, including Hindu, Buddhist, and Islamic influences. Indonesia's folk art, theatre, and traditions are heavily influenced by Ramayana and Mahabharata stories. Indonesia shares land borders with Papua New Guinea, East Timor, and the eastern part of Malaysia, as well as maritime borders with Singapore, Peninsular Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, Australia, Palau, and India. The country is a member of several multilateral organizations, including the United Nations, World Trade Organization, G20, BRICS, and a founding member of Non-Aligned Movement Associated of South East Asian Nations, East Asia Summit, MICTA, APECD 8, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation.